Alright, what is going on, guys? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today we're going to take a very quick look at Rune Thorchain and why I think $9.50 is not a bad price for Rune right now, and how things can be viewed as bullish coming off this big correction in the market this morning. So I just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. So looking at it, we've been talking about this symmetrical triangle, which I really do like. It's very just clear. There's two touch points on the upside, which ideally would have more, but that's fine. And on the bottom, you can see many touch points along the way. And it seems we're about to get another right now. So the important thing is that we're remaining in this triangle. If we break down, then it could get ugly and it could be pretty bad. But for the moment, we're remaining in this triangle. And for that reason, I'm still bullish. Like, to come down and test the support on the bottom line is not a big deal at all. And I mean, this is a big correction for Rune as well. Right, it's a 45% correction, nearly half the price from about a month ago. So just a bad month. Well, what could happen? We could have a good month. And I already spoke about how we've seen a parabolic move like this happen, and so there's pretty much no reason why we can't see this happen again. Right, we could see a move like this take place. This would also cause a W pattern here, which would be bullish, and this could get us. Well, you can see it takes us to the resistance level here, come down and then head higher if this were to play out. Now, you can't be too deterministic and assume this will play out, but if this is to happen, which would be dependent on Bitcoin obviously performing well, this could at least get us to this upper line again and test some resistance, and if not, break through. And as I said, if we break through, well, then we can look at hitting all-time high levels at $21, as well as hitting, well, our target is $32 up here, which I spoke about last video. So it's not going to be an easy move. You don't easily get up to these levels. Parabolic moves are not easy to happen, but there's just potential. And to test the support, you just got to look at what happened last time when we tested support. Well, we tested it and we went pretty crazy up, right? So you can say that's going to happen. That is just going to happen again. Test the support, and we might have a nice move up. Also, this might be when Bitcoin decides to move to 60k or 65 or 70k even. And if that happens, well, that's going to be extremely bullish for Rune. And therefore, we might see Rune decide to make a move pretty similar. So it's just another thing to look at. And then if we look at Bitcoin, we can say, is Bitcoin going to start moving up? Well, it's genuinely anyone's guess. You can't say for certain. But it seems I like how we've hit our cup and handle line here. Right? Cup, handle, this is our line, act as resistance. And we wicked right on it and are now heading back up, it seems. So we could have bottomed here for this correction and now can have another move up and have a big December. Like, November was a really bad month when everyone was saying it was going to be pretty good. I think most people expected, we started good and everyone was saying we're going to hit 70, 80, 90k. And then obviously just a big correction in the month. And so the other thing we look at is this falling wedge. We can see right here, this falling wedge. Well, we broke out, moved sideways, and then have now broken back in, which is pretty not really ideal. But we can still break out again. And we saw support on this bottom line as well. So we can move back out and still go for the $68,000 maybe by the end of the year. Maybe that's our target. 68k by the end of the year. Which would mean for Rune, well, Bitcoin gets to 68k, that's a all-time high. Just off all-time high. And if it goes a little higher, then it's all-time high levels. Which means, well, maybe Rune can do that. Maybe Rune can get near all-time high levels, which is talking between anywhere of, like, let's say from the breakout, $16 and $20, which trading at $9.50 seems pretty good. And I'm not saying this isn't guaranteed. It's never guaranteed. Right? I'm not saying cash in now because that's going to happen. No way. I'm not a financial advisor. And I mean, we could just break out at the downside and go lower, right? There's always a chance that happens, but I think things do seem bullish for Rune and for the rest of the market. I think we can have a big December. At the end of the day, Bitcoin just could be testing the bull market support bands and reminding everyone that, hey, we've tested the support bands, now we can go up, which happened last time when we had this move. We tested support bands and we head up. That could simply what we're doing again, and therefore we could see Rune run with Bitcoin and also have a nice move and we'll get over $10 again, and then go $15, $20, And then if Bitcoin can get back up to all-time high levels in, let's say, a month or could be a few weeks, could be a month, 2 months, 3 months, then Rune could also do the same and even move higher as well. So this is just what I'm looking at the moment. A lot of it's speculation, I know, especially this parabolic move. You can't expect this to happen, but it's just something I am aware of. So let me know what you think Rune will do. Please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later, guys. Enjoy.